Here I have DOOGEE S88 Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to perform force restart operation on this device in case if your device is laggy and it doesn't react to your actions, like you're trying to do something and it doesn't respond, you're trying to turn it off and nothing works. So what can you do in this kind of situation? You just have to hold down power key and volume down for about 5 or 7 seconds, and after that your device will be force restarted and won't be laggy anymore. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.